everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking. And as you can see from the title, today is just going to be cleaning motivation. So this is what I cleaned on a random day. So if you are just looking for some cleaning motivation and you don't know where to start, just play this video and hopefully it can give you the motivation that you are looking for to tackle all the tasks that you have been avoiding. So you can just join me today. So I am beginning with removing some cobwebs and some dust on my walls. I've been meaning to do this for some couple of weeks now, and I can see a lot of spiders around the house. So I've just been just using this to remove some of the cobwebs, especially above the doors and stuff. Yeah, I'm going to be doing quite a lot of that as the month progresses, but I have been meaning to do that for some time, and I'm just going to quickly hoover to ensure that all the dust and all the cobwebs have been removed from the floor. And I'm just going to give the whole house a hoover because I haven't done it. So I'm just going to hoover all the floors. And if you watched my previous video, you noticed that I did a huge declutter of some of my clothes. So this is me just putting them back in the wardrobe, because basically I just hoovered underneath there, and I'm going to organize it in the next couple of days. Then I'm going to mop the floors. Going to tackle the fridge. So I am amazed some people literally do this every single time before they do a food shop. They literally make sure that their fridge is tidy, they clean it up. If you're one of those people, you're amazing. I am not one of those. I tend to forget, so I tackle it when I see it. When I see the mess, that's when I tend to really just get into it. As you can see, it's not so bad, but it does have a lot of little finger marks and stuff. So I'm going to use dishwashing liquid to wash it up. Please give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the content. Let me know in the comment section below if you are actually one of the people that tend to clean their fridge before they do the food shopping, or you are like me, you clean it as you see it. If it's dirty that particular day and you notice it, you're going to give it a clean. So let me know in the comment section below. So these two drawers were the ones that really needed the most attention, but other than that, it's not so bad at all. I like to use a Dishmatic, but I don't know where it is at the moment, so I just use a normal scrub, dishwashing scrubbing thing, and I just tackled all the areas that really needed it. Like I said, a lot of finger marks. If you live with kids, you know what I mean. everything has been given a rinse, I am just going to grab a paper towel and just dry everything up. You can use any other drying towel that you have, but I tend to like to use a paper towel to make sure everything is dry, and put everything back as soon as it's all dried up. When I removed that tray, there was some spillages that I noticed were there, so I'm just gonna use Cif cream cleaner to just clear that up. Any other product would work really fine, even dishwashing liquid if you prefer, but I just found Cif was close by and I grabbed that, and it worked really well with that. And I'm just gonna wipe off all the excess product and put everything back. To be honest, it wasn't that much of a deep clean, it didn't really need that much, so I am putting everything back into the fridge. So that's everything clean in the fridge. I'm just going to clean the sink using the Cif cream cleaner again, and that is it really. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some motivation to tackle some of the tasks that you have been avoiding. If you like this type of content, please come back for more or play any of my playlists. They have lots of cleaning motivation and some decluttering stuff there as well. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.